Okay guys, this is Gary and I'm going to show you how to fix this 2003 PT Cruiser. A lot of you are having the same problems, and it's about this control. Alright, so I've done all the kind of thing I can think about. One of the problems happens is this cable here, it bends. Okay, so I fixed the bending problem, and all it takes is a little crazy glue, some type of crazy glue, and a little bit of baking soda. So you straighten it out as much as you can. You put your crazy glue on it, and then you put your baking soda on it. Now that makes a real hard uh, crazy glue. So it doesn't take no time. Time you put the baking soda on there, it makes it dry, and then it also makes it hard. So it'll slide back up in the cable. Okay. Now the other part of it is I took some WD-40, or you can use whatever you want to, and I sprayed it down into the hole. Okay. So that, because what's happening is binding down in there. Those gates are binding, and it makes the cable bend. So that's all it takes. It's not hard to take the front off. It has a piece here, okay, where you wonder it's up here. So you pop it out first, and then there's a screw that you take out, and then you pop off the face. Make sure you take your little knobs off, and it comes right out. And of course you have to unplug this. And that seemed to be doing pretty good, because otherwise you won't be able to defrost uh, or anything that you need. You know, when you're changing it to go to your feet, it won't move. When you're changing it, trying to get it off your face, it won't move. So it usually ends up being worthless and useless. So instead of trying to replace those cables and taking all this dash completely apart off, all you got to do is have your WD-40, a screwdriver. Oh, and if it's too thick in there, that build up, use a razor knife, take the excess off. Okay, that's what you do, and it'll slide up into that cable just fine. All right, you heard from Gary. I hope this helps you guys to be able to continually use your PT Cruiser when it's raining or cold. Talk to you later.